Hey, and welcome to Ask William. Today we will be unboxing the LGP Lite GL310 streaming box from Avermedia. LGP or Live Game Portable is a USB box that captures and streams your gameplay at 1080p. Designed especially for game lovers, this pocket-sized capture device comes with an onboard H.264 hardware encoder, which guarantees smaller file sizes even at HD. These files are extremely small and easy to upload, as well as very compatible with any post-editing software you might have. The LGP Lite works with any direct show compliant streaming application such as XSplit or OBS. With these applications, you can stream directly out of the box straight to YouTube, Twitch or Ustream. You can also use the ReCentral software available for your PC and your Mac. So without any delay, let's start the unboxing. Upon initial inspection, the box feels very light and the product is very well displayed. On the box you can see support for Windows 10 and compatibility with YouTube as well as Twitch. There is also a legal warning against trying to bypass the HDCP protection. The whole box is nicely wrapped in protective plastic. Here's a closer look at the box. As you can see, everything is clearly displayed and the box is covered with a nice black matte finish. On the back, all the supported resolutions are displayed, as well as a diagram of all the ports. And at the bottom, it tells you what's inside the box. As we open it up, we can clearly see the device, protected by a piece of protected film. Inside the box you will find the LGP, a mini USB cable, a block made out of foam protecting the LGP, as well as the user manual. I found that the foam support is a nice protective casing for the LGP. Seeing that this device is known for its portability, you might want to keep the LGP inside it. First thing you will notice is the weight. The light in LGP Lite becomes clear when you realize that this unit weighs a mere 117 grams or 4.1 ounces. At the top you will find the button that controls all the functionality on this device. At the back there are two large HDMI ports for pass-through, as well as a 3.5mm stereo jack for audio in and out. On the back we have a nice rubber finish. This will grip your device on any surface that it's resting on. On the side we have a mini USB port to connect your LGP to your PC or Mac. The only cable that is supplied in the box is a USB cable with the standard USB connector on the one side and a mini USB connector on the other. The mini USB connector is also the power supply when connected to your computer. And there you go, the LGP Lite GL310 streaming box from Avermedia. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will definitely try to make more videos like this. From me, William, have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.